charms, another 12-inch block. Here is the diagram, and I made mine out of bright colors, which you can probably tell by now I like the bright colors. There are 5 different patches, shapes to cut, and all of these can be done with the AccuQuilt 8-inch cube. And I won't go through all of them, but here's what they are. And then here are the pieces. So I lined them up exactly. This is A patch, this is B, this is C, D, and E. Now I'm going to lay them out on the Prop-It board. Now here's the block all laid out. You can start however you like. I will probably do the half square triangles first, and then I'll probably go here and start piecing out. When you piece these triangles to the square, piece in opposite sides first. So piece this side, then the opposite side. Then press those seams, and then do the same thing on this side. And your next round, when you sew these triangles on, do the same thing. So piece the 2 greens first, press them, and then the 2 reds. And once you get that done, that's more than half your block. And then just sew it together and press as you go, and we'll come back when it's finished.